Hello, in this video I will show you how can you solve the multiple variant image issue on the Prestige theme. I will show you before and after versions of the product page. This is before version, and as you see, whatever color I'm clicking here, I still see all the variant images. But what I want to achieve here, when I'm clicking on pink, I should see only pink back images, and I don't want my users to see all the other images here. So it will increase my conversion rate and decrease returns because people will see exactly what they are clicking on. So if they are clicking on red, they should see only red images. So let me show you the version where this is fixed. So here you can see the version where I'm clicking on the color and only images of that color is being shown to me. So I'm clicking on pink and only pink images are shown. If I click on green, only green images are shown, and this creates a delightful user experience. And this also works for zoom functionality as well. So when they are zooming and want to see details of the product, they won't be distracted with all these other colors, but they will see only the specific color images in the zoom as well. And let me now show you how can you solve this problem. We are going to solve this with an app. The app is called Rubik Variant Images app, and I'm actually a developer of this app, so I will demonstrate you how it works. Basically, what we need to do when we first install the app, it will ask us to assign variant images. So we will select our product. On this test store, I have only one product. So when we select this, we can also we can assign basically images like this. But we can also use AI feature here to assign images automatically, and as you see, they will be assigned automatically. If of course this feature works if colors are obvious for AI and it's easily can figure out them. So as a next step, we need to save, and we need to activate this on our theme. Let's go, and I'm going to select here Prestige theme, and I will click on enable on theme editor. As a next step, it will show us page where our app is enabled, and we just need to click on save button here. After it's saved, we can simply close this tab, and as a next step, we can click on I have done it. And we will see that app is already enabled, and I will show you now. Yeah, it will work as I showed you before on this page. So that's how easily you can configure the product page and your products. Let me also show you how this product actually looks in backend of the Shopify. So it's a product with multiple images, and all the main images also assigned to the variants. So main image of yellow is assigned to yellow, but the app will do it for us, so we don't need to do it like this. It's just enough to have these images here, and we don't need to do anything. And let me show you one more time inside Rubik what you can do. Additionally, you can also change the order of the images. Let's say I want these images to be first, then I simply can change the order of the images and just save it like that, and it will be displayed in this order. I also may have some images which I want to show for all of the colors. Let's say you have some lifestyle images, that's also possible. You can then leave these images unassigned, and they will be shown for all the other images as well. And yeah, basically this is how you can solve the variant image issue on the Prestige theme, and yeah, create a delightful user experience for your shoppers. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, just reach out from support of the Rubik app, and we are happy to help. Have a great day.